In this video, you will learn how to make a 60-second story on Instagram. So hey, I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. If you want to make a 60-second story on Instagram directly in one story, you have to follow this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram application. And now I have opened my Instagram application. So now I will go to my story section by swiping right side to the page, and now my story section is open. Now you can see that there are certain options on the right side which are create and boomerang and layout and hands free and close. So this option might be on your left, on your right depending upon your settings. So I have got my settings on the right side. So for 60-second story, you have to click on the hands free option, and now my 60-second story is selected. So if I click once on the record button in the middle of the bottom side of the page, so my story is started recording. So this will go up till 60 seconds and this will record everything you want to record in these 60 seconds. So this is the simple process of making a story 60-second story on your Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusion, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.